Hey, so I'm going to show you how to screenshot. So I'm going to pull up the badges. I'm going to go to whoever my friend is here. I'll just pick him. So if this wasn't here, then I would go over to the badges, pull those up. I'm going to hold in Control, and then I'm going to hit print screen, and that's going to copy it. So then all you've got to do is go back to your PowerPoint. You're going to click on the PowerPoint so that it knows that you're wanting to paste it here. And you're just going to paste it. So you can right click and hit paste, or you can do hold Control and then hit V. So there's my little screenshot. So I'm going to make it nice and big so I can see who I'm trying to do. Double click on the screenshot, and then your crop is going to come up over here. So you hit crop, and then you're just going to select the kiddo that you're doing. You're just going to select just their QR code, and then you're going to hit crop, and then it will leave you just the QR code. You'll place it there, and then just blow it up as big as you want it to be, center it if you need to, and then you're all done. So hopefully that helps. If you have any other questions, let me know.